The following message is transmitted at the request of the Orange County Sheriff's Office. The mass shooting at the Pulse Orlando nightclub, located at 1912 South Orange Avenue, first reported to you via the emergency alert system at 2:15 a.m. has ended. The gunman has been neutralized, and the event is over. The final victim count is at 50 people that have been killed, and another 53 people that have been shot and taken to Orlando Regional Medical Center. If the victim count is confirmed, the Pulse Orlando nightclub attack would be considered the worst mass shooting the United States has ever witnessed. The Orange County Sheriff's Office will brief the public on this event at 10 a.m. local time in Orlando. We will now return to regular programming.